Hello my friends, welcome to my channel, and today we will be doing a monthly plan with me in my mini happy planner. With this mini happy planner, this was last year's mini planner. I can't remember the name of it, but it was last year, so I just want to play in it. What I did also was I went ahead and I cut down the planner, so therefore it would be able to fit into my, this is a recollections planner. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. So the kit I decided to use was this kit that I purchased online from designlovelystudio. What a beautiful kit this is. I got this on Etsy, and it was really pretty, and I printed it out and I want to show you. So it's full box for top and on both sides. They have the numbers. They have little full boxes, functional stickers. This is the left sidebar, meaning this right here, going down, as well as they have this. I already put down because I boo-booed. I kind of cut it before I actually put in my Cricut and cut it. And this guy, which will go right here. So let's go ahead and get into it. The washi tape that I picked for this project was, and these are Recollections washi tape, but this washi tape, it's green, and you'll see it's green with clear, and it looks like little leaves in it. I thought it was super cute. As well as I picked up, this is also Recollections. This is pink, that actually looks like it has flowers in it, but it's almost like a clear, but it's not quite clear. And this small, this also part of the Recollections collection. But I haven't opened it yet because it's new to my stash, so I don't even know what it looks like. Okay, this guy has little teeny circles in it. So okay, let's go ahead and get started. I'm leaving it in my book because I tend to move out of frame of the camera, and I do that quite often. So I'm going to try a different approach. I'm going to go ahead and leave it in. So let's go ahead and put down some of our stickers. Oh, I may have to. Yeah, I may have to leave it out. Take it out. Yeah, because it's, some of these stickers are going to be in the way of some of the holes. But that was only because of my fault, because I cut my planner down for my purposes size. Ooh, how pretty. I'm definitely going to buy from this company because they are so stinking cute. This was my boo-boo. I cut it. This is gonna, I might have to take that one up and redo it again. Since I've never used this company, we're just going with it and see what I need to do. Now I think I'm going to put my sidebar down here. Hopefully I'm in frame. Do I want to put this up top? Notes and... Actually, you know, really don't want this part. I'm going to cut that off. So I may use it somewhere else in my planner, but right now I didn't want that part. I'm turning it to the side. Okay, and I'll just put some washi tape down there and probably some washi tape here. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is I put down Happy Easter, which is Easter's on the 1st of April this year. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my stickers down. How pretty. Just gonna put it throughout. Maybe I wouldn't do that there. So here we go. Then I'll have to go back through. Yeah, we'll do it here. Oh, maybe not that one here. How pretty. Okay. There we go. But let's go ahead and start putting some dates down. Went ahead and have my, I pulled my tweezers. So I may fast forward through this. Depends on how long the video is and how long it takes me to put this stuff down. So let me put a couple of stickers down. And this planner is more my on-the-go planner. So we'll hold some of these stickers back. Let's go ahead and put some of our washi tape down. Then I'm going to go ahead and put green washi tape down there, going down here. Hopefully you can see how pretty, how leafy this is and how pretty it is. I was doing, playing with me with my bigger ones. I just have to print some of them printed out. I just haven't had a chance to do that. It's really cute. Yeah, I'll do it anyway. I'll just cover. That way it looks kind of even. Do it on the end. Maybe we'll do this down here and across here. Looks like flowers. Really turning out nice. Are y'all in the spot? Yeah, I have to keep making sure, because I did a video this past week of one of my Plan With Me's, and I noticed after half the time y'all weren't in seeing what I was doing. So I decided not to put it up. Let's see. Are y'all? Yeah. Once I get where the camera's gonna be, I think I'll be good. Rotate over. See these little teeny pieces, which I might have a teeny piece. Take this guy, see this little piece, which is part of it. Splits in it, that's all. Y'all in spot? Yeah. I'm just getting ahead of myself. Okay. This is an old Walmart credit card that has no money left on it, and I saved it. It's not a credit card, it's an old gift card that has no money left on it. Okay, so it was irritating me, so I pulled out my Happy Planner punch and took the back off and lined it up and punched it out so I could put it back in. I'm going to go ahead and just show you a few of my clips I made. I made this clip. I don't know if you can see it, but it's with pink with green glittery background. And you see the back. So yeah, put it behind it. And then that way, and if I didn't have it inside, this notebook, I probably would use something like this. Here's a smaller one. So these are my clips. So I made these guys. Can be used in my big happy planners, and this clip is going to be used in this planner. So that's all I have for today. This is a little, isn't he cute? He's so cute. So anyway, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.